Hello everyone, and welcome back to Desynced. The biggest leap forward in this episode is going to be the construction of these windmills. They will be a lot more efficient when we are placing them on top of plateaus, so that is exactly what we will do. We will also unlock the technology to build these bigger beacon towers, and as you can see, they will be able to cover a 5x5 area instead of the smaller 3x3 that we have been using until this point. Other than that, we will also go out and do a little bit of combat with the bugs, but not too much. They are a little bit of a handful, so I think we will wait until we have a bigger fleet of robots to deal with them. So anyways, let's not waste any more time and let's get into it. Alright, let's get going. So, in the last episode, we managed to sort out, well, not these guys, but these guys. So, we have twin bots mining silica at the moment. As I've said, over time, I would like to make sure that we convert every one of these mining robots into twin bots. In fact, let me see, how many robots do we have mining at the moment? Units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, thank you. Well, that means that basic research is done. Okay. Let me see. This one will give us the receiver and transmitter, internal storage. Okay, so extra storages and the deployer. That's great. This one is for bigger buildings, and we might want to go for this one first. Yeah, this one, then the advanced logistics, and then the advanced materials. Okay, so as I was saying, I would like to make sure that over time we convert all of these guys into whatchamacallit, the twin bot miners. And so these guys are dropping things off here. Well, I think what I will do is I will turn off the delivery items on these guys. Basically, I don't want them to go out into the logistics network and start delivering stuff. They only need to deliver to the storage block, and that's it. I think that's going to be better for us. So let me see. Yeah, that is correct. And this one is correct. Good. Also, if I remember correctly, I did set this worker. I think I redirected, yeah, one of the iron miners. So copy this one. I will put it back into the iron mining setup there. And yeah, there is no silica in it. And I think I will just use these two twin bots for the rest of the silicon. So first, you know what? Let's just do it this way. So order 2 miners there, and you as well. Order 2 miners. And that's a bit easier to set up. And then I will copy the settings of the twin bots and paste it over once they have everything set up. So this one is still waiting, and there we go. Paste, and it is off. Great. So the next thing that we need to take care of is, well, maybe we should set up a silicon production facility, because at the moment we only have this one. Well, it is full, so technically we are okay, but you know what? Let's just make sure that we have a proper setup. So I will do this, and then I will have a beacon tower here, and once the beacon tower is finished, I will place the storage block. And as usual, I will basically do the same exact thing we did for the metal bars and the metal plates. So put a behavior controller into the storage. The storage, sorry, why is there a metal bar in here? We don't need that. So this one is, yeah, channel 1 and 2. These guys are only channel 2 and they will output into the storage. Yeah, so copy, paste, 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 and paste. That's great. And again, can somebody please move this metal bar? I don't know why it was put in here. There we go, finally. Okay, so fix slot to this item and this one, and the rest will be set to silica. Great, and the behavior chip will be requesting silica, of course, infinitely. That should be pretty much it. Yeah, okay, as you can see, the bots are starting to deliver the silica, and that's great. All right, let's just double check. So these guys are delivering to the storage and they are on channel 2, and yeah, the lines show that everything is set up more or less fine. Oh wait, channel 1 and 2. I don't think it's necessary to have the channel 2 on the storage itself. I think the beacon will take care of it, but you know, might as well. It's not going to hurt anything. Okay, so well, paving is finished, so you know what? Let's set up a bit more paving. Let's go for, I don't know. Let's look at the logistics. Yeah, here I guess we'll be okay. Okay, so next. Let me see what we can make. I believe we will need to make, yeah, this high density frame. This one will require high energized plates and wires. Everything we have already, so that is great. I will set up a facility for it. Let me see, where can we put it? I suppose down here should be okay. Yeah, so spacing of 3 in between the building clusters. We will start with 3. Anything else we need to make? In here, we have pretty much everything. What is this? Resimulator core. Okay, I have not messed with this part of the game yet, so from now on pretty much everything is going to be completely new to me. Anyways, we will need these robotic assemblers there, and the third one. So you guys will give us high density frames infinitely. Perfect. Copy, paste, and paste, and it is up and running. Okay, in the meantime, yeah, I think I will start converting the robots, the miners, into twin bots. I will order, let me see how many we have. I believe we have 8 here and 4 here. So that is 12, so basically we need to make 6 twin bots to convert everyone. There we go. So as they are being made, I will basically take off the miners from these robots, put them on the twin bots, and that will convert these worker bots into regular or old delivery bots, and the twin bots will take over. I think that's going to be fine. So we have high density frames that will start up. Yeah. Oh, right. We also need these. I don't know what it is exactly. Let me check, take a look. Not being made here. Maybe it's being made in the fabricators. No. Or maybe the new, what should I call it? Refinery. I think that's it. Okay, I will make 3 of these, and I believe refineries are being made in the assemblers, right? Yeah, okay, refinery. I will make a factory for it, so put an assembler on this one, and once after it is delivered, I will... Oh, right, also I was wondering why everything is so slow. Well, we don't have enough power, so we will need to sort that one out as well. So, you know what, first things first, I will set up a couple more mall buildings. Let me see. I suppose here should be okay. The storages, and that's it. Okay, so this one will give us the refineries. Infinitely, that's it. Good. And I will set the slots on this storage to only store refineries. Okay, so once these are built, I will set one of them. Let me see, so that's fine. Well, technically, this power upgrade will unlock large windmills. We might want to wait for that. Although, I suppose we can start with medium turbines as well. Yeah, you know what? I will start making medium turbines on this one. So you will output into this, and the inventory will be set to medium turbines. In this one, can we make anything special? We already have the power field set up. Medium capacitors would be kind of great, but not necessary at the moment, I think. Okay, I will leave the rest as they are for now. Yeah. Okay, so we should be making medium turbines, and these medium turbines are a bit special because, well, if we hover over them, it says that constant 50 power generation per second, but 100 if they are on a plateau. And thankfully, we are right next to a plateau. So I think we will use that as our source of power. Unfortunately, we have this glitch robot here, and that is not ideal. So what I think I will do is take the deconstructor robot, just drop this energized plate, that's fine. I will put the small advanced turret on it. There, and let's take care of a couple things. Now, we can attack this one from a distance, and that will prevent the virus from getting to us, I think. So, yeah, let's not risk anything, so I will just get rid of it. And I will get rid of the power flower as well. Now, this did drop this purple circuit board. I don't know. Yeah, this will unlock the virus research. Okay. Also, let's pick up these flower parts. And I believe there is another flower. Yeah, there is another flower right here. I will get rid of that one as well. And we are out of power. Great. Okay, you come home. And I will set up a... Well, for the windmills, we don't need any kind of storage. So yeah, a defense block will be just fine. Apparently, we cannot place these buildings right on the edge of the plateau. Oh well. It's not the end of the world. I guess we will start our wind farm right here. Of course, we will start with a single building, and then we'll copy that over to the rest of the wind farm. Do we have any windmills yet? Not really. What's missing? Energized plates. And what's the deal with those? We have plenty of these, so I guess... No, we have plenty of these as well. Maybe it's just the fact that everything is slow because of the lack of power. And yeah, we'll just need to keep working on that, I guess. Okay, in the meantime, I will set up the first refinery. So you will give us, yeah, there we go, crystal powder, silica and crystal chunks. That's it. Okay, so you will give us these. Infinitely perfect. Once we have more refineries, we will put those on these and I'll copy over the settings. Now, there we go, finally, the first windmill is done. And this building is done as well, great. Okay, don't deliver this into the storage, just deliver it to here. And here it comes. There we go. Now this will give us 100 power per minute continuously, thanks to being on the plateau. Great. And now we can simply copy this one and place it down as many times as needed. I will start with, yeah, this much. No, wait, that's 7. Let's go with a nice round number, 8. Well, not round, but even number. Okay, are you charged up yet? Not yet, okay. I will drop off these. Wait, infected circuit board. I don't think this will result in infections, so I think it's safe to store it in the main building. Anyways, we have these guys done. You will move here, and you two will move to the crystal. And let's start converting these miners over to the twin bots. So first, drop the miner. There, stop worrying about outputting into storages, and don't worry about the signal either. Okay. I will copy the setting of this robot. So copy. And once we convert everyone else, we just need to paste over, that's fine. So put it down and no, let's copy. I just want to copy the empty one. There you are. Copy and paste. There we go. You drop the miner and paste. Good. You as well. Drop the miner and paste. These are now just regular old delivery bots. Nothing special. I will keep the engineer as they are. I don't want to mess with those guys just yet. Okay, and the last one here. Wait, why do we have this number of workers? We should have an even number. Maybe this was from, let me see, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, maybe this was a crystal miner instead. Yeah, I think so. Okay, copy the crystal miner and paste it over this one, so it will be at the correct position once it comes to it. Anyways, these twin bots, so I will set up the signals. You will be mining metal ore infinitely, just like this, and you are on the logistics network, but don't worry about delivering anything. That's fine. Output will be into this storage, and your parking position is, I suppose, here. Okay, copy, paste, paste, and paste. That's it. So basically now we are using 4 robots instead of 8, but with the same output. And we have more robots delivering stuff around the base. That's great as well. Okay, so these twin bots are fine already. In fact, you know what? We might want to start naming them according to their function. But first, let's copy this robot, drop the miner. You are the engineer, don't worry about you. This one, no. Copy the worker bot and paste over this one, there we go. You drop the miner. Good, and you as well. Okay, so everything should be fine at the moment. Once again, I will, I think we can copy the settings of the engineer. Let me see. We just need to set the signal and yeah, everything should be fine now. Copy, paste, and that's it. Good. Okay, well, so the crystal mining is converted as well. How is the energy? Okay, we have 3 windmills now, so that's 300 extra power, but that is still far from what we need. What is this doing at the moment? Yeah, it's still waiting for energized plates. And that is because, yeah, they are waiting for crystals. Well, we have plenty of crystals here, so it's only down to the power at this point, yeah. I really wish that we could prioritize construction of these. If I right click on this one, that will get rid of the production, so I don't want to do that. And yeah, I cannot set priorities here either. What about right clicking on the building? No. We edit. No, even that one is not going to work. Oh well, cancel. Oh wait. Let me take a look. Can I actually upgrade the building? So edit, change structure, and I would like to switch over to this one, let's say. Apply upgrade. Okay. So apparently we can upgrade the buildings. That is very good to know. Anyways, for now, just go back to the this one, that's going to be fine. But, well, I did complain about this one in the the first episode, so apparently it is possible. Okay, that's great. Good to know. Oh, right, there is one more thing. I have been meaning to set up a color scheme for the base. That can be done in... Let me see, where exactly? Control Center? Yeah, Control Center. The last tab, the faction. Here we can name the faction as well. You know what, might as well. We are the Beehive. Yeah. And let me see, lock, switching to this faction, whatever. And I would like to have a nice bright yellow color scheme for the base. Well, I think it kind of fits the whole swarm of robots kind of aesthetic. Plus, I might as well tell you now, I did sign up to a beehive, a beekeeping course, and I already had a couple of courses and a couple of lessons, and well, since I have signed up to it, don't be surprised if in a year or two this channel might start having some bee related content. Not right now, but who knows, maybe later. Anyways, we have... Okay, I think these are outside of the logistics. Yeah, just barely. That's fine. We can manually deliver the windmills and that will take care of the construction. Now I wonder, since these are outside of the power network, how will that interact with the power? Okay, apparently we cannot manually deliver this way. That's fine. Cancel orders. I will simply tell the constructor bot to pick up the windmills there and put it down into this building. Good. Also, apparently the robots did deliver the construction materials, but not the windmills. Even though they are technically outside the logistics network. That's kind of weird. So anyways, I will switch this one off. Yeah, I don't think it registers on the power network, so we will have to build a power extender on the plateau. That's fine, not a big problem. What I will do is build a... You know what? Just copy this one, that's fine. So... V and... Well... I think it would make sense to place them here. Here... And here and... Here. Okay. I think this will actually cover the windmills. So, can we please prioritize this one? Okay, only 2 more. Also, I did notice that robots can only really deliver a single instance of a certain material to these kind of construction sites. I really wish that robots could do more than one once they become available. Anyways, we'll discover the windmills. That is the question. Yeah, they will. Perfect. Okay. You can go back to the delivering stuff. That's fine. Oh, no, wait. Well, okay, I will wait for it to recharge and then we will go out and do a bit more exploring. So anyways, now these should be ready to go. As soon as we have some more windmills ready. Again, we need more energized plates, and that is in very, very short supply at the moment. Anyways, what kind of robots do we have? So we have the twin bots. As we have established, they are extremely useful. These dashbots are basically faster versions of the worker bots, like these. They also have one more storage spot, but that's about it. In every other respect, they are pretty much identical. And we have these cubs. They are basically our medium robots at the moment. These guys can carry medium modules. For example, these guys could carry, well, for example, this big pulse laser or any other module, but pulse laser is a very good use case for it, I suppose. Anyways, do we have the... Okay, we have no large buildings yet. Also, we have this reef simulator. This is what we have unlocked in the latest research. It says reconstructs objects on a simulation level, chart via data cubes. I have zero idea what this is, but it did sound important in the messages, so I suppose we will find out over time. Yeah, anyways, how is this one going? Let's keep building out, because we will need a lot more than this, so yeah. In fact, yeah, let's just keep going and let's just keep building out our power network. Yeah, let's not get too close to power flower. I don't think that's going to be good for our robots. There we go. Okay, so power is now in the, well, in the green, or in the blue in this case. Once we have more of these guys built out, I will actually get rid of these because I don't want to waste any more crystals on them. Anyways, how is the deconstructor bot? It is very, very slowly charging. And how is this one? So energized plates are, well, okay, at this point we are mostly missing the reinforced plates, and they are... Okay, I think these guys actually have the resources they need. So tell you what, how about we set up a... Well, okay, I don't want to set up this kind of facility for the medium buildings yet, because, well, they will, I think, better served if we are using the bigger beacon tower for them. And I think that will come from this exact research. Yes, okay, you might be able to see this will unlock the bigger beacon tower, which will have a 5x5 coverage instead of this 3x3. So I think that is going to be a lot better for the bigger buildings. Right, also, yeah, this one only has 2 storage slots. That's not going to be enough. We need at least, yeah, we need at least 3 because we have 2 ingredients and 1 output. So these 1 tile medium buildings will not be enough unless we equip them with some extra storage slots, but that's fine. What is the internal slots of these buildings, by the way? 2 internal. That might work actually. Let me see, what do we need for internal storages? We don't have those unlocked yet. That will come with, yeah, advanced logistics. Here we have these internal storages. They are basically for 1 internal slot, we will get 1 extra storage slot. So I think if we use one of these, that will allow us to use single tile medium buildings, and that will be extremely useful, I think. Anyways, you know what? I think I will increase the production of metal ores because I don't think we are making enough. So I copied the settings from this twin bot, and I will start making 4 more, I guess. Right. And these are very, very slowly being built. We might also want to set up extra facilities like these, or maybe we should wait for the 5x5 tower, I don't know. That tower should be done fairly quickly now, and I think they only require beacon parts or beacon kits. Let me take a look. So in here, these, yeah, 5 beacon kits and a single circuit board. That is extremely cheap for a very, very powerful building. So yeah, I think I will wait for this research to finish, and then we will start setting up a lot of 5x5 manufacturing facilities. Yeah, okay. Well, technically we could build 1 more research, although I don't think we have enough production of the materials, but maybe. Anyways, we need, yeah, 2 more crystal powder, and that should be pretty much all we need to finish this research. In the meantime, I think I will actually start setting up one of these. Well, you know what? No, I will start setting up one of these guys. So I will copy one of the splatters, and where do we want to set this up? I suppose here should be okay, although it is a little bit far away from everything else. But I don't really want to block this area too much because I still want to maintain a spacing of 3 in between building clusters. Yeah, maybe I should have planned for a 5x5 building cluster right from the start. That might have been beneficial. Let me see, this one will be depleted sooner or later, so we could set up a smelting facility here, for example. I suppose that also works. Okay, yeah, you know what, might as well do it. So copy the smelters and let me say 1, 2, 3, then 2 smelters, and we will have the tower right here, which means that we can start placing down smelters like this. Of course, I will leave a channel open for the tower, or wait, maybe I will leave this channel open. So yeah, let's build these out. Thank you very much. And we will have the tower in here, one more smelter here, and the storage out on this tile. That should be okay. Okay, at this point we have access to the tower, by the way. So what I will do is prioritize the construction of this smelter. So once it's built, we can actually build a tower, so it is no longer blocked. And we have the large beacon. Great. Can somebody please deliver the... Okay, this one will require plates, and we are short on those at the moment, unfortunately. Can I... Okay. I cannot move the construction materials in between construction sites, unfortunately. Okay, I will be back with you once this one is done. In the meantime, how is the... Okay, the scout drone is charged, so tell you what. First, let's just drop this iron ore, that's fine. I will get out of the logistics network and let's do a bit of exploring. By the way, can we make... Let me check. Yeah, we go virus protection. We might want to do this one because, well, this will protect us from the virus, so we can actually get close to the racks. But, well, since we have the gun, I think that's going to be okay. Okay, let me see. First, let's get rid of this power flower. Great, pick up the whatchamacallit and get... Okay, there we go. We have another glitch bot right here. Get rid of that one first and then get rid of the flower. Okay, we have a bit of a bug infestation here. Okay, I did anger that slug. Let's make sure we kite it and don't let it to get too close. I don't want to repair myself right now. Okay, no. Don't give up. Exactly what I wanted to avoid. And there we go. Perfect. Okay, get rid of this power flower as well, although it was very useful because it slowed down the bug, but oh well. There. pick up this. So did this box come out of a hole, I wonder? I think there was a hole, but we got rid of it and we got a bit of extra silica out of it. Anyways, let's get rid of these holes next. Thankfully, because of the topography, the box cannot get to us. That's amazing. Okay, so we have these taken care of, but we have bigger holes here, knives here, so don't get too close. What about this one? Can we... Well, if we kite the bugs, we should be able to take care of them. Oh yeah. Maybe we want to invest into some better weapons at this point. As you can see, we can easily take care of these guys, but it's still a little bit fiddly. We need to kite them around. Okay, let me take a look at this side, because we did see a bit of a... Yeah, we did drop a lot of stuff. Okay. Oof, there are a lot of bugs in this area. Okay, I don't think we can pick up anything else. Let's just get rid of these guys. And I think I am out of here. We might return with a bigger armada of robots, but this single scout is just not enough for this. Also, they have one more power flower here, and that is pretty much it. Also, it is extremely slow building these windmills. Is it because of the lack of actual windmills, or... Yeah, it is still the windmills, what the problem is. Okay, anyways, tell you what. Where is the... There you are. Did I make a repair... Whatchamacallit? No, I didn't. That's fine. Let me just take a look. Oh, there we go, repair kits. Put it on the scout bot. And take out these internal slots from these storages. I want them to be accessible from the actual storage spaces. There we go, okay. So we will repair the scout bot, put everything back into storage, or not back, but into storage. There we go. And yeah, I think at this point you can go back to work. Put on the deconstructor and get back on the network. So let's build this beacon now, large beacon right here. So these guys should be, yeah, they are set up correctly, except they shouldn't output into this storage. They will output into a storage right here. So there. Copy this one, paste, paste, paste. And I will paste one more into here once this one is done, so high priority please. And after everything else is finished, I will build one more storage here. Do we have the large storage yet? No. What do we need for that one? Advanced logistics maybe? No. Advanced materials. Still no. Advanced structures. Ah, there we go. Drone storage. That is where this storage block will come in. Basically, is twice the size of the small one. For the same footprint. we might want to go for that one. Anyways, copy this one, paste into this tile, high priority please. And once it is built, I will put in the storage and this place will be up and running. And this one will be, of course, channel 1 and 2. Good. These guys will be channel 2, that's correct. Let me see, do we still have... Yeah, we still have some of these doing the wrong thing. What about now? Okay. Good. I just want to finish this one. Notify me once it's completed, please. Thank you. Didn't I order a bunch of twin bots? I think I did. Did I misclick or something? No, they're still being built. Okay, never mind. Also, they should be output into the visual because I want to see what they are building basically. Okay. Yeah, this will take a while. Oh well. Can we please finish building this particular building? Everything else is up and running now. So there and there. Oh, there we go. Okay, advanced logistics is finished, which means that I will build a test site for the medium buildings. For that one, we will need one of these guys. So I will build one internal storage and I will build, well, you know what? Yeah, we will have the smelters here, then we will have the metal plates here, and these guys will require, yeah, bars and plates. So we will have a test site for the reinforced plates, I suppose here maybe. And we will supply it all from this iron deposit. So anyways, this place is done. I will build the small storage. Later we will upgrade it to that big one and that should be fine. High priority please. Oh, right, also this will require a, whatchamacallit, a behavior controller. Can we please build it? Thank you. Good, behavior controller. And yeah, this will be, half of it will be iron ore and the other half will be metal bars. Behavior controller, you will be in requestor mode for asking for metal ores. Infinitely please. There we go. And that's it. So you are on channel 1 and 2 and you guys will output into this storage. Copy. There we go. And let's make sure we set this one up correctly. Good. So as far as I can tell, this is basically the exact same thing as this one, just bigger. Right, okay, well, at this point, I don't think we need to keep this one around because, well, it is basically not even half, less than half of this one, but, well, it is a bit closer to the iron metal deposits, so yeah, let's just keep it around, that's fine. Next, I will do the same exact thing, except this one will be for metal plates. And let's say 1, 2, 3, then 2, and yeah, this one will need to go into here. Then the storage goes, yeah, right here. And then these buildings. You know what? Let's just copy one of these. And I will reset it once it's built. Yeah, channel 1, 2. Channel 1, 2, but stop requesting. You will be requesting metal bars instead. And these will be set to metal plates instead. There we go. This should be okay now. So once this one is built, I will reset it to make metal plates instead of metal bars. Let me see, channel 1 and 2, channel 1 and 2, and that's it. Okay, just tell me once it's finished. High priority, please. Yeah, I don't want to do any more paving because that will eat up our, whatchamacallit, the metal reserves, so don't do any paving for now. So this one is the paver, by the way. I will call this one paverbot dash. So we know what it does and what model of robot it is. Where is the other one? Here. Let me just copy the name and paste it over this one. There we go. In fact, this worker is our collector worker. Oh, sorry. There. So also, let's spell collector correctly. And what about this guy? This is our, well, scout. Deconstructor. Right. Let me see. Yeah, this is finished. You will switch over to making metal plates, please. On channel 2. There we go. Perfect. Copy, paste. First, I will build the ones right next to the tower. And once those are done, we will build out the outer ring. Also, yeah, I'll put into this storage, please. Okay, we will reset these once we are able. That's fine. How are we on the twin bots? Yeah, only a single one got finished since we started. So yeah, this will take a while. Only mostly down to the energized plates, and those are looking for reinforced plates, and that is because, well, we don't have enough metal. And I don't really want to move on from this deposit before it's depleted because, well, I like to things get used up before I move on. Technically, you know what? I will tell most of the robots to start using this deposit instead, and I will leave the, I guess the engineer can stay there. So this will be the parking spot, and you know what? You guys output into this storage. Yeah. Copy, paste, 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 and paste. And you guys can go down here. Okay, yeah, these robots will inherit the old parking space, but that's fine. We will reset them once they are built. So these should, yeah, they are not delivering anything, that's fine. Now, hopefully this will speed up the making of the, whatchamacallit, the metal bars. Also, well, these worker robots are extremely slow, so I am very tempted to use the deconstructor to get rid of them because, they are using power, and I think the runners are a lot better at delivering stuff. Yeah, let's just do it. Slowly I will get rid of these robots, that's fine. Can I... Maybe let me set a signal. Unit type worker bot. Now, do we have worker bots that are not just delivering stuff? So units. So we have, yeah, 2 engineers, that's fine. These worker bots are just for delivery. Anyone else? What about you? Oh, here, the collector. But it is not on the logistics network, so I don't know if it will get rid of it. Well, you know what? The collector can be upgraded to a dashbot, I suppose. Yeah, let me see. Let's make... we cannot make dashbots right now. Or... yeah, we cannot. That's fine. Okay, you know what? I think it's going to be okay if we just drop the collecting stuff. There we go. And the behavior controller, that's fine. So this guy is now a regular old delivery bot. And yeah, I will tell the deconstructor to start deconstructing worker bots. Now, will that do it? Okay. It is not actually doing it. So simply telling it to do it like this is not going to be enough. I think it will require a specific target, which can be done with a radar, I suppose. Okay, well, we should have a radar at the ready, right? That's the reader. Do we have a radar? Yes, we do. Okay. Scout, you park yourself right here. Take out this portable radar. And you are looking for worker bots. Infinitely, that's fine, whatever. And yeah, there we go, it found one. And instead of from the signal, you are going to get your target from here. There we go, perfect. Okay, this will deconstruct every single one of these worker bots. Great. Okay, you know what? I will convert one of the pavers over to the collector robot. Yeah, so right, we need the radar and we need a behavior controller. That's good. Okay, so you are looking for dropped items infinitely, whatever this, I don't think it's important. And the behavior controller is, yeah, trash collector, perfect. Start behavior. No, wait. Item is from the dropped item, and the storage is this one. Now you can start. Also, is this the... oh, right, okay, Blightstorm. What does it do? I heard about this one, but I never experienced it. I don't know what to expect from this event. You might be able to see that everything looks a little bit cloudy, so this is a Blightstorm, but I don't know what it actually does. I guess we will find out. It doesn't appear to be doing anything right now. Anyways, did we get rid of every single one of the worker bots? Yes, I think we did. Okay. So, which one was the... Yeah, there we go, paver bot. You will be our collector bot instead. Oh, sorry. Collector dashbot. Okay. Good. Don't have the slots fixed. And it is, yeah, it is doing its job. Perfect. And yeah, don't make any more, whatchamacallit, pavements. That's fine. Okay, so the collector is now up and running. That's great. In fact, I will set the visual to be the dropped item, so we can find it a little bit easier on the map. Okay, how are we on the smelting? Well, not great. No surprises there. And did we make... Yeah, we made one more twin bot in the meantime. Let's just copy the settings of one of these guys and paste it over this one. That's gonna be fine. Anyways, the alarm went off a second ago, so I think we will start to say goodbye. Before we go, let me quickly set these guys up. So you are outputting into this one. These guys are still outputting into this storage, so I will copy this setting. There we go. This one is, yeah, I accidentally misclicked, so now it is back to normal. That's fine. So these look good to me. Yeah, I think so. Okay. So these are, yeah, channel 2. This is channel 1 and 2. And this guy is 1 and 2. And it is requesting metal bars now. Good. Okay, let me put in the last couple buildings and we will say goodbye then. Good. No, don't do this one. Abort. Okay, I suppose at this point we will just need to continue expanding our mining fleet so this place can be up and running. How is the windmills? Yeah, it is expanding slowly, so I suppose that is good news. Okay, I think we are ready to say goodbye. All that is left to say is that thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and maybe subscribe to the channel if you want. If you would like to support me a little bit more, you can do so by clicking the join button and becoming a channel member, which will give you an early and ad-free access to these videos. Once again, thank you for watching and thank you very much for your support. I will see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.